Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we tackle your tech troubles with ease. Today, we're diving into how to stop auto-scrolling in Windows 10. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step guides. Let's get started with the steps to fix that pesky auto-scrolling issue. Step 1. Begin by right-clicking the Windows Start button. A menu will pop up from there. Select Settings to open the Settings window where we can adjust various system preferences. Step 2. Within the Settings window, look for and click on Devices. This section allows us to manage connected hardware and device configurations. Step 3. Now, in the Devices window, you'll see a list of options on the left. Click on Mouse to access mouse-specific settings. Step 4. In the Mouse Settings pane, you'll find an option labeled Scroll in active windows when hovering over them. If it's causing the auto-scrolling issue, simply turn off the toggle switch next to it. Step 5. Next, check the drop-down menu under Roll the mouse wheel to scroll. Make sure it's set to multiple lines at a time for a more controlled scrolling experience. Step 6. You'll also see a slider for lines to scroll at a time. Adjust it to ensure it's not set too high, which can cause faster than desired scrolling. Step 7. After adjusting the scroll settings, click on the Additional Mouse Options link. This will open a new window with more advanced settings. Step 8. In the Mouse Properties window, navigate to the Wheel tab. Here, verify that the values for both vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling are reasonable and not excessively high, which could contribute to unwanted auto-scrolling. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop auto-scrolling in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.